Hello, and welcome to the fifth port of call on our Victory Cruise Line's Victory to Great Lakes Cruise. This is Cleveland in the northeast part of Ohio and on the southern shore of Lake Erie. The ship docks in Cleveland Harbor near Huntington Bank Field, home of the Cleveland Browns. We meet the bus outside the Port of Cleveland U.S. Customs Building for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame shore excursion, which is included in our cruise fare. Let's go inside and check it out. Start your tour in the Ahmet Ertegun main exhibit hall on level 0 with the SNL featured exhibit celebrating 50 years of music. Here are some bumpers from the show and some music performance clips. You can also see costumes from some memorable skits, among other artifacts in the exhibit. Act like a guest host by stepping onto the SNL stage. In the Roots of Rock and Roll exhibit and the Terry and Sally Stewart Gallery, go back in time to the origins of rock and roll. View the items that contributed to this genre, as well as the opposition to its existence. Elvis and Chuck Berry are among the notorious rock and roll trailblazers in the Pioneers exhibit. Another must-see featured exhibit is this one devoted to the music from 1984. Among the articles displayed in this exhibit, you will see the jacket Michael Jackson wore in his Thriller video. The next exhibit is Cities and Sounds, celebrating the distinct contributions of various metropolises to the music world. We come to another featured exhibit recognizing the revolutionary women in music. There are numerous artifacts celebrating the artistry from these fierce females. Nobody can rock out quite like they can. Central to the exhibits on level 0 is this one devoted to the legends of rock and roll. As you walk through the exhibit, you will see numerous displays paying tribute to these icons. No doubt you will find some of your favorite performers represented. Next is the Beatles Gallery presented by Pam and Don Washkowitz, followed by the Rolling Stones. The Jimi Hendrix and Janis Joplin exhibit includes more artifacts for fans to adore their works of art. This side exhibit celebrates the music of the Midwest and Cleveland before we finish with the Right Here, Right Now exhibit. Take this escalator to level 1 to visit the All Access Cafe and Museum store. Go up this escalator to continue the tour on level 2. On level 2, we find the garage presented by the Minoff family. Check out the garage gear displays before you pick up an instrument to practice for your jam session. You can also brand your band or explore more displays about the creative process used by iconic bands from the past. The Donist leads the way up this escalator to level 3 where we find the Hall of Fame. Start your Hall of Fame tour by learning about the categories and induction process. Next, be sure to check out the various artifacts in the new inductees exhibit. Vote for new inductees before moving into the signature gallery honoring each inductee by class year. Take a moment to view the In Memoriam exhibit. Visit the Power of Rock experience in the Connor Theater to feel the excitement of a Rock Hall induction ceremony. Follow Chris up this escalator to level 4. Check out Pink Floyd's tour replica of The Wall to honor the 1990 Berlin performance. Train and motorcycles. Check out the Foster Theater or play drum machines in the Beat Lab. Take this staircase or an elevator to level 5. The space for the Legends exhibit on level 0 is not large enough to honor all the icons in rock and roll. So, level 5 provides additional displays to highlight more of the artists that left their mark on the genre. Level 6 houses a rotating exhibit featuring an artist. This visit highlights the Bon Jovi Forever displays. Imagine that! The escalators take you down to the museum store. The bus returns to the ship where we board it for the next port of call. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, click the red subscribe button below. And keep up with our latest videos by clicking the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out these other videos, and we'll see you next time.